Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today I have a quick unboxing of a new Fancy Pants Design collection kit, and they did actually ask me to be a guest designer for them. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what they sent me. They did allow me to choose one of the 3 new collections that they have out, and they have I think a fall theme, a Halloween, and a Christmas, but of course I had to get Christmas. I was very tempted for the Halloween one because it's really cute, and that holiday is coming up a lot sooner, but you all know me and my Christmas, so I went ahead and I picked that one up. I haven't looked through the kit at all because I wanted it to be a surprise, so I just opened up the box. But this kit is like a baking Christmassy kit. I noticed that there are a bunch that are coming out, but this one is so cute. I don't know if you guys can tell by the colors, but this is the kit right here. These don't come in the collection kit. These are sold separately. We will go over these after we do the papers and everything else. So this is the collection kit. It's called Cookies for Kringle, and you get 2 of each of the papers. They are double-sided. You get sorry, Kalea's watching her stimulation show thingy on YouTube. Okay, and then enamel dots and paper tags and card sets. So I'm gonna open this up and we'll go through this together. So here it is. Again, it is called Cookies for Kringle. And this kit, or this collection, gives very retro, vintagey vibes, and I am all about that for Christmas. I've always loved retro, so I just can't wait to see how these look. But I'm going to go ahead and just set this to the side right here. So, again, it does come with enamel dots. You get 60 enamel dots. So you get 12 of each color. Just waiting for Kalea to kind of calm down a little bit. And as you guys can see, you get this really pretty lime green, a white, a blush pink, mint, and a red. Definitely very retro-y. I love that. So that, and then you get the Cookies for Kringles tags and cards. And I will be flipping through these so that y'all can see the pieces that come in here. There are images on the back, but I will be flipping through them. So if you guys want to pause so that way you don't have to watch me flip through them, you can, and then take a look at them like this. But I do want to flip through them. Like I said, I haven't seen it, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, and then that comes in the collection kit. So here is the first one. This is called Christmas Kitchen. And again, you get 2 of each, so I'll make sure I get those together. But it has this really cute floral print. And then here's the back. It has red stars with a pink blush background. So cute. And then this dinnerware pattern is so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. It's called Grandma's China. So it's like a china cabinet with all the little dinnerware. So cute. It's a bunch of mint. The green is like a really dark green. It looks more black. And then there's pink and a little bit of like I said, mint, and a lighter mint color like green. Really cute. And then the back is this plaid with the traditional red and green, and then has a little bit of this salmon pink as well. That's cute. And then the holly leaves and berries. This one's called Santa's Cookies. So this is one side. And the other side. So cute. I love Christmas cookies. Adorable. Love that one. And then you got this wood grain one, and this one's called Mistletoe. So you have this like wood grain paper. It's a really soft white wood grain. Love that one. And then this one right here with the mistletoe. And this one has a mint green background with some pink berries and then the green leaves. And then there's some black stars in here as well. And then some poinsettias. This one's called Peppermint Kiss. So another mint background. And then it has the poinsettias. And then in the center they have like little red berries for the centers. And then the back is candy canes. You can't go wrong with candy canes. Cute. And then the last one is this floral print. And this one is called Floral Kitchen. It's a larger floral. And it has like this light red background. And it has all the colors on this page. And then the back is another plaid. Cute. So there is the there are the papers. So I'll have these set to the side so that way you guys can kind of see them. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other pieces that came here that aren't a part of the collection kit that you can buy separately. So there are some puffy stickers, and you get 45 in here. And this is what it brings. Has little cookie ornaments, and then some mixing bowls. Couple of like sentiment pieces. So there are some puffy stickers. All right, and then like I said, I will go through the ephemera. So this is the ephemera. It comes with 64 pieces. The tags and cards come with 28, and you can already see all that retro in there. I love this ephemera pack. And here it is. Comes inside. Again, you guys can pause if you guys want to, but I will be flipping through them. Okay, so let's go through the cookies for Kringle tags and cards first. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Again, you get 28 in here, so you get one of each piece. But look at how cute she is. Loving this already, and this is my first ephemera piece that I looked at. And then you got this one right here, and this one says C is for Christmas cookies. And then this one right here is a like cookbook, and it actually has the pages. It looks like a book opening up. So there's that one as well. And then this one right here says fruit and spice cakes, and it's like a little recipe card. And then this one right here says recipe, so it's another recipe card, but this one here is empty, so you can kind of like fill it in with your own recipe. It's very tiny, but you know, have that. And then there's this baking. It says B is for baking. And there's this one that has some mixing bowls. A bingo card that says baker. There is this one right here. H is for homemade. It has the retro girl or lady putting something in the oven. And then a butter cakes recipe. So if you guys want to make your own like recipe book or anything like that, this would be the perfect collection to decorate your recipe book. Alright, and then there's some tags as well. So there's this one right here. Sorry if y'all hear people walking around. Upstairs it gets pretty loud, so there's this one right here. I love this one. I might have a hard time using this one. It says Santa's cookies, guaranteed to get you on the nice list. Do not open before December 25. And then Miss Claus Bakery. gingerbreads, cookies and milk, pies and cakes, baking spirits, bright scents, and then you can put the year that you use this ephemera piece, or I guess more like a tag. Whisking you a Merry Little Christmas. So again, if you're, baking and then you want to use some tags, you can put this onto your box or your bag, whatever you're packaging on or with. Okay, and then this one says cookies for Santa. Okay, there's that one. And then this one right here. Has all the little recipe books. I love this tag. Something will be hard to use too. Okay, and then a bunch of little like label stickers. So let me show you guys. Or not stickers, sorry, but little ephemera label pieces. So there's 2 of these labels right here in a red and a mint color. There's some little square pieces. There's one that says 25, the other one's December, and the other one looks like a gift. Some tickets, and it has little like graphics on the side here of them. So you got a couple with the ladies, and then you got some with the bows, and you get different colors as well. So that's cute. And then they even give you a couple of these holiday plates. These are so cute. I can't wait to use these. Like I said, I will have a couple of projects that I will be doing with these. So I thought those were cute. But that comes in the tags and cards set. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and open up the ephemera, and then we're going to go ahead and go through the ephemera pack as well. Now we're going to go ahead and go through the ephemera pack. And this one you get 64 pieces. So this one will be a little bit longer. I'll try to flip through these a little bit quicker. So that you guys aren't here forever. But let's go ahead and flip through these. Okay, so there are a couple of plates. Again, like the last one, these ones have a little bit more of a design. I mean, the other one had designs, but this one has some holly leaves and berries. So if you guys can see these ones, they're really cute. You get an oval plate and you get the circular one. A little salad plate. And then you get a couple of words here. It says baking spirits bright. So it's you can use this on a scrapbook page. Really cute. It looks so dimensional. So crazy. It looks like it's popped up on foam. That's crazy. Okay, so I thought that one was cute. Baking spirits bright. And you get some candy canes. You guys can see the candy canes. I guess I don't really have to carry them. But yeah, you get a lot in here. And what I love about this ephemera pack from like Crate Paper, I guess, because I work with them a lot more, it's just that they include smaller ephemera as well. But I guess because with Crate Paper you can actually buy digitals and you can, make whatever size you want. It's just more convenient to have them cut out like this, I guess. But these are so cute. Okay, I'm just kind of trying to look through and see what bigger pieces I can show you really fast, and then the smaller ones I'll just kind of keep on here, and then we'll just go through it together on my desk. But here are some larger ones. So this right here is like the dough, and you're just punching out some cookies. It looks so realistic, it's crazy. Like on camera, it looks pretty legit. So there's that one. And then this one right here with the cookies on the baking sheet. Another bingo card, and this one says sweet. And then a stove. You get a Christmas tree. And you get a couple of the ladies with their cookies, their holiday cookies, and their aprons. So cute. Push these aside so y'all can see. Okay, and then you get a couple of the cookies. These ones say ho ho ho. They're made out of cookies, gingerbread cookies. Okay, and then all these other ones are basically just really small pieces. So you get a couple of floral pieces. You get the holly leaves and berries. You even get a carton of eggs. Like I said, this is perfect for a recipe album, or if you're documenting and your December daily and you have, you know, your kids helping and they're cracking eggs, you can put this on there. But that is the ephemera, so I'm going to go ahead and put this away because I don't want to lose anything. Alright guys, so there it is. That is the Fancy Pants Designs Cookies for Kringle kits. Make sure you keep an eye out for project shares, or maybe, who knows, if you're lucky, craft with me for these. I am going to be making a couple of projects for them, so keep an eye out for those. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me flip through this kit, and I hope you guys pick it up as well. Like I said, they have two other that sound right. They have two other kits that are out. So if you guys are, you know, holding off on Christmas, you know, and you want to get fall or Halloween collection, you can definitely pick them up because they do have one. But I do recommend getting this kit, you guys, even if you just get one of it. Just to have it. It's perfect to make a recipe book. So definitely check them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that they sent me for this kit. And I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.